friends, welcome back to Tiny Tales with Tia. Today we're going to be reading That's Not My Fire Engine. Its doors are too bumpy. Bumpy. That's not my fire engine. Its ladder is too rough. That's not my fire engine. Its stripe is too shiny. That's not my fire engine. Its wheels are too squashy. That's not my fire engine. Its hose is too smooth. That's my fire engine. Its lights are so sparkly. Thank you for reading this fire truck book with me. If you like this book, then come back for more exciting stories. Bye! See you next time.